everybody? Thank you for coming to another RTE detailing video. And today I got the homie Luis. How you doing, Luis?
Doing good, Reyes.
All right. You think it's gonna rain today, bro?
I hope not, but if it does, then
yeah,
it is what it is.
So in this video, you're gonna hear his story of how he quit his management job. You were there what, 6 years?
6 years, yes.
And you quit this summer, 2021. You've been in the game for about 4 or 5 months.
Yep.
And how you doing, bro? You alright? You struggling?
Well, I'm full time.
Full time?
These last 5, but it's a little different when the winter. But
Cause you were telling me you were getting that momentum, you were getting business, you were getting, you know, and then started raining.
Reyes.
All right, guys. So in this video, you're gonna hear the story of why he quit, why he chose entrepreneurship, and also how it's going in his business being 5 months in. But before we do, Luis, what's your business name?
Phone Bat 209, and we're located in Stockton, California.
That's right. What about your social medias?
You can find me on Phone Bat 209 on Instagram.
There you go. I'll put everything in the description below. Go show them some love, some support, and let's get started. All right, Luis. So we're not gonna say where you worked at, but you were there for 6 years. You were making a pretty good amount of money, right?
Yeah.
What was it like?
It was pretty decent. Like it was a livable wage, but
why? Okay, where did you get the spark to start detailing?
So I actually bought a new car. I bought a.
Is it this one?
Nah, not this one.
Oh, okay.
I bought a Charger. I just didn't want to take it through the car wash, and I kind of just went to the store and bought my own pressure washer. And then after that, it kind of just, I started posting videos on Instagram, and it just kind of took off.
All right. So, did you start the business right away, or you were doing hookups for family and friends?
So the way I started on my car, and then I started on my parents, and then my friends.
So when you start charging people?
Probably after my 5th car.
Yeah.
Actually, my neighbor had a pretty disgusting car, and I was just like, hey, I could possibly do it for a price.
You throw your neighbor down, bro.
Yeah.
Like, his car was disgusting. No, anyways.
Hey, I charged $80, bro.
What?
But, man, it was actually this van. It's crazy.
Wait.
Yeah.
It was this van?
This van.
He gave it to you or what?
No, my dad actually bought it for fairly cheap.
From him?
From him.
No, all right.
So I was actually detailing in a Nissan Sentra.
Oh.
Bro, I would probably a little sedan like that. And it was just...
I got you, man.
It was pretty hard.
So, you were working, you were starting this side hustle. Were you trying to juggle both, or did you make that jump into detailing?
I was actually working 10-hour days, man.
Yeah.
I would go to work. This is in the summer. I'd go to work 8 to 5:30, and then do 1 to 2 cars right after. So,
how long were you juggling that for?
So I've actually I've been detailing for 2 years now. I was part-time, so I've been doing it for 2 years, but I've been full-time for 5 months.
So for about 1.5 years, you had your day job as a manager, and then after that, you would do detailing?
Yes, sir.
Hey, what's one of the biggest struggles trying to juggle both?
Having to turn down customers when you have work.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And when did you finally decide, hey, I gotta jump on detailing full time?
Once I started being unhappy at my job and just kind of wanted to focus all on my business. I didn't have my headspace in, because I was a manager, so it was a lot to deal with.
Got it.
So I was just like, it's time to go full time on my business.
And I'm sure you went to your boss and you were like, hey boss, I'm starting a side hustle, want to turn into a main hustle. I'm gonna put in my 2-week notice, or how did it go down?
Yeah, actually, it went down exactly like that. And he was actually, they're very caring people. So he supported me 100%.
So he was cool. You put in your 2-week notice?
Yeah, he was.
He didn't try to convince you, or we'll give you a raise, or?
He obviously did, but I think it was a long time coming.
I got you, man. And now, you quit your job, you jumped into detailing. How was your first week or first month?
So it's hella crazy because right after I quit my job, I stopped getting phone calls.
What?
Yeah, it kind of slowed down a little bit, but I mean, hey, we all have our downfalls.
So, was there any piece of you, once you start your business, a little piece of regret that maybe you should have done it? Or how were you feeling at that moment?
No regret.
No regret?
I've been happier. Like it's just a way better lifestyle.
All right. Hey, great answer, man. But now that you're a full-time detailer, was there something that you weren't expecting when you jumped into it? We talked about the customers dying down.
Yeah.
Anything else? Was that it?
How much of a learning curve it is to run a business, because it just isn't all about detailing. You gotta literally put yourself to learn everything about running a business.
So you have to wear multiple hats. The marketing, social media, and customer service.
Yep, and that's just the beginning.
Really?
Yeah.
What's one of your biggest struggles right now?
Right now, it's probably finding customers. Because I recently did a price change. So
you went up?
I went up, and
Yeah.
that's when it died down, but surely slow enough, customers are starting to sparkle in again.
How much did you start charging?
When I first started, I was charging $55.
That's not bad, bro.
Not bad, not bad.
I know people start with $20 sometimes, but 55 for inside and out?
Inside and out, yes.
How about now?
How about now? 75 for a sedan starting.
Oh my God, that's not bad.
That's not bad.
That's cool.
That's cool.
So, what are you doing to get customers right now?
So right now I actually just ordered some clothes, with my logo on it, and then I plan to get some stickers, a little wrap on the windows for the van.
All right, man. Now, let's just say there's somebody out there who's working a secure job, you know, they're managers, they want to start their own hustle. What advice would you have for them? To do it like you, or do it a little differently?
A little differently, probably, because when I stopped working, I thought I had enough money saved up, but honestly, you have to pour so much money into your business. So I would say just kind of establish yourself first, and then quit.
Have some money in the bank, establish your business.
Yeah.
All right. Now, hey, since you brought up that, what was the most expensive investment that you've made after you quit, or even before you quit?
So I actually just bought a new carpet extractor. It was
the blue one?
The blue one.
What is it called?
The Mighty.
Yeah.
8070.
Damn.
But,
how much was that?
1200. Yeah. But it's a game changer.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a lot quicker.
What were you using before?
It was a little, it's called the Sandia. It's the same thing, kind of, but it just doesn't have the same suction power or heat.
So there you have it. Dang, Luis. You're going through it, bro, but one thing I like, no regrets, man.
No regrets.
No, hey, and it's only gonna get better.
Yeah.
It gets better during the summer, I heard.
Yeah, well, consistency is key, so.
Yeah, so maybe build up your customers now, which is, I'm sure is what you're doing.
Oh yeah, I already got some booked out, so it's turning positive.
There you go. Now, you enjoy his story, you have any questions? Once again, Luis, what's your business name and where can they give you a follow?
So my business name is PhoneBat209, and you can follow me on PhoneBat209 on Instagram.
There you go, put in the description below. And if you like this detailing content, you want to see more entrepreneurs, more detailers on these channels, hear the stories, get some knowledge, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.